India, a land of diverse landscapes where majestic mountain and the lush valley invite adventurers to join us top 10 trekking destination in India. Number 1, Chadar Trek, Ladakh. Our journey begins in the frozen wilderness of Ladakh. The Chadar Trek, an icy expedition over the frozen Janskar River, offers an unforgettable adventure. This trek covers approximately 62 kilometers and this takes about 9 days to complete. The temperature can drop up to minus 30 degrees centigrade, making it one of the most challenging treks in India. The slippery ice and the harsh cold test your endurance and the resilience, but the surreal landscape make every step worthwhile. Number 2, Roopkund Trek, Uttarakhand. Next, we venture to the mystical Roopkund Trek in the Uttarakhand, known for the mysterious skeleton trek as at its summit. Roopkund is a trek that blends adventure with history. The trek spans about 53 kilometers and takes 8 days, with altitude reaching up to 4,800 meters. This trek involves steep ascents and unpredictable weather, challenging even experienced trekkers. However, the journey through diverse terrain and the airy beauty of Rupkund Lake makes it an unforgettable experience. Number 3, Valley of Flower, Uttarakhand. In the heart of Himalayas lies a floral paradise, the Valley of Flower. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a heaven for nature lovers and the trekking alike. The trek is relatively moderate, covering 38 kilometers over 6 days. While not as strenuous as some high altitude treks, the challenge lies in its monsoon season when the valley blooms but also experience slippery trails and occasional landslides. The breathtaking display of colors makes every challenge worth facing. Number 4, Markha Valley Trek, Ladakh. Ladakh calls us back with the stunning Markha Valley Trek. This trek offers a perfect blend of scenic beauty and the cultural immersion, covering 65 kilometers over 9 days. At altitude, sickness is a significant risk as the trek reaches heights of up to 5,200 meters. The rough terrain and river crossing adds to the difficulty, but the spectacular landscape and cultural encounters provide a rich reward. Number 5, Hamta Pass Trek, Himachal Pradesh. From the stark beauty of Ladakh, we move to the contrasting landscape of the Hamta Pass in Himachal Pradesh. This trek spans 35 kilometers and takes 5 days, acting as a gateway to the lush Kullu Valley and the arid Spiti Valley. The sudden shift in landscape combined with snow and the rocky terrain makes this trek moderately difficult. The unpredictable weather at the pass, standing at 4,270 meters, adds to the challenge. Number 6, Gochela Trek, Sikkim. Heading east, the Gochela Trek in Sikkim offers some of the most spectacular view of the Mount Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the world. This trek covers 19 kilometers over 11 days. Reaching an altitude of 4,940 meters, the trek involves steep climbs and cold temperature. The long distance and the high altitude demands excellent physical fitness and the stamina. Number 7, Kedarnath Trek, Uttarakhand. Back to the Uttarakhand, the Kedarnath Trek is a winter wonderland for trekkers. Ideal for beginners, this trek offers stunning vistas with each step covering 20 kilometers over 4 days. While it's less demanding than other high altitude treks, the winter snow adds a layer of difficulty with temperature dropping to minus 10 degrees centigrade. The summit at 3,810 meters rewards trekkers with panoramic view of the Himalaya. Number 8, Sandakphu Trek, West Bengal. In the eastern Himalaya, the Sandakphu Trek present a unique opportunity to view four of the world's five highest peaks: Everest, Kanchenjunga, Lhotse, and Makalu. The trek spans 78 km and takes 8 days. The trek involves continuous ascents and descents along the Singalila Ridge with altitude reaching up to 3636 meters. The unpredictable weather and rough terrain make it moderately challenging trek. Number 9, Tarsar Masar Trek, Jammu Kashmir. The Tarsar Marsar Trek in Jammu Kashmir is a journey through the beautiful landscape of the Kashmir Valley. This trek covers 48 km over 7 days. The main challenge lies in the steep ascent and a rocky terrain with altitudes reaching up to 4,100 meters. The pristine beauty of the alpine lakes and the meadows offer a serene yet demanding trekking experience. Number 10, Har Ki Dun Trek, Uttarakhand. We conclude our journey with the Har Ki Dun Trek in the Uttarakhand. This trek, steeped in mythology, offers a glimpse into the ancient Garhwal culture covering 47 km over 7 days. The trek involves gradual ascents with the highest point at 3566 meters. While not extremely challenging, the long distance and remote terrain require good physical fitness and preparedness. India's trekking trails are as diverse as its culture, offering something for every adventurer. Whether you seek the thrill of high altitude challenge or the serenity of the flower filled valley, these top 10 trekking destinations promises unforgettable experience. So lace up your boots, pack your backpacks, and set out to discover the breathtaking beauty of India's great outdoor. Until next time, keep exploring and let the mountain call you home. Thank you for joining us on this adventure.